I have in front of me here a VGA to HDMI converter. So let's just look at what comes in this presentation box. We have a very brief user manual here. Now it's fine that it's brief because the setup on this is extremely simple. We have a power unit here. It comes with a 3-pin plug and has a 5-volt 1 amp output. And then we come to the converter itself, which you can see here. Okay, so there's basically an input side and an output side. So we'll start with the input side, and we have two inputs here. The first is a VGA input, and basically we connect this either to something like a DVR or a PC that would have a standard VGA output on it for sending a picture output here. And also if we have an audio option here, this won't always be used, but if you do have an audio output, you can use this 3.5mm socket here to connect an audio input here. And it combines that and gives us a single HDMI output, which you can see here. Now other inputs on this and connections would be a 5 volt power input here. We have LED lights that indicate there's power being received, and we also have a selector switch here that lets us choose between the 720 and a 1080p output depending on what television we're connecting it to. If we look at the accessories we could possibly use for this, on the input side we could use a VGA for connecting it and feeding in the visual input, and also this 3.5mm cable. And on the output side we'd simply use something like this HDMI lead to connect it to a TV or monitor. So that's it. We have a further video in this series that covers the actual installation of it, etc. But that's it as an overview of the VGA, the HDMI converter.